Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be unboxing a Sony Ericsson Vivaz, a phone which was released about 10 years ago, way back in 2010. It runs Nokia's Symbian S60 platform and was one of the best camera phones of its time. Let's open this one up in 2020 and see what it's like. But before we jump right in, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel, and if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button as it helps me out a lot. Also hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. Alright, let's jump right to this. First, let's have a quick go around of the box itself. As you can see here, the color of this phone is navy blue, and we also have some technical specifications at the back. Now let's open the box and break the seal after 10 years. And the first thing we are greeted with is a quick start guide. In this folder in the flap, we have at&t information as well as warranty and other regulatory information. Let's leave the phone aside for now and see what else is in the box. Firstly, we have a micro USB cable, a standard Sony Ericsson power brick, which from my knowledge is really reliable, a Sony Ericsson EP500 battery, and of course a resistive stylus, as this phone has a resistive touchscreen. Now let's move on to the star of the show, the Sony Ericsson Vivaz itself. And as you can see, it's an extremely tiny phone by today's standards. Okay, so let's turn this thing on. I have a charger plugged in. Let's first put the battery in. The battery is being beat up a bit by the charger's pins, because the battery had come out of its bag, and I guess it's probably been moving around for the last 10 years. So let's put the battery in. Might be completely dead, we're not sure. I'm not gonna take this this clear film off. I'm going to keep it because I want to keep this phone like new. I'm not going to use it anyway. Before we turn it on, let's have a quick go around of the phone. So we got volume rockers, a quick video button. Is that multimedia? I'm not sure. Camera shutter, 8.1 megapixel camera, 720p video recording as I remember. This camera was one of the best in its day. Sony Ericsson logo, haven't seen that in a while. Micro USB, headphone jack in a weird position, power button, nothing at the bottom except the microphone. We got answer, decline, answer, and I'm guessing the home button. All right, let's turn it on and see. Oh, the battery does have charge. It just vibrated. That's weird. I mean, after 10 years, you'd expect the battery to be completely flat. No setup screen. And what's it doing? Insert SIM card. I thought so. Alright, I'll go find a SIM card, put it in, and be right back. So we're in. This is a form of Nokia. This is a form of Symbian, as I can remember. It just looks a bit different. There's something up with the telemetry in the battery. It's giving false readings. I can imagine at this age. Just to be safe, let's plug it in. Yeah, it is acting a bit funny. Why isn't it going in? Hold up. Having a problem with the charger here. Okay, there we go. Let's hope it charges. So let's go to settings. I'm forgetting this is a resistive touchscreen. It's in Spanish, so why does it say telephony? No, it's not Spanish, but why does it say telephony there? I don't know. How do I go and see information? I get no. Phone, language, phone management. Here we go. About. Yeah, it's the Symbian S60 platform. This product is based on the S60 5th edition software by Nokia. So yeah, it's this phone and the Sony Ericsson Satio and the Ino. Those three were the Symbian running Sony Ericsson phones of their day. This one is not charging properly. Okay, now it's charging. The battery is really low. Symbian platform. You got Twitter. It's really laggy. But yeah, that's what you could expect at the time. I used a Satio for some time long ago, and I bought another one. I sent it back home, but I'm waiting to get my hands on it when I go back home. So now this thing is stuck on Twitter. How do I even go back? That's quite. It does not want to stay in one home screen. What is it doing? Yeah, I can. SIM not provisioned. Okay, whatever. Okay, there we go. So let's test out the camera here. Use the dedicated camera button. Does that do anything? It does not have a front camera, obviously. Battery low. Can I not use the camera when the battery is low? Where's the camera on this thing? How do I? Let me get the stylus out. Let me see how this works with its stylus. So it's got a lanyard. You put the lanyard somewhere. There should be a place to put the lanyard. Let's take this out. It's got like a pen-like point. Let's see if that makes a difference. Yeah, it's a bit better. How do I get the damn camera? That's multimedia. Cancel photo. How do I go to the camera? This is perplexing. Doesn't pressing that button do anything? Or is it the battery too low for me to activate the camera? Alright, it's probably too low. I'll let it charge for a while and be right back. Alright, so it's been charging for a while, so the camera now works. Sony Ericsson, 8 megapixel camera. I think it could record at 720p. Let me get something colorful, I guess. Something with like a bright color. Let's do orange, green, and blue. 3 iPods. Oh boy, that's horrible. Well, here's the thing. This is getting in the way. Okay, how about now? Let's try that again. Oh boy. That shook too much. Let me try that again. Move this out of the way. It's that plastic film at the back. I don't want to like take the film off. I want to like put it on display someday, like it's new. Alright, that's a better photo, I guess. That thing was getting in the way. It's a decent photo. I'm not going to put it on the video. I don't want to be editing all that in. Decent photo, decent camera. It was one of the better cameras of its time. There's something up with the SIM card. Let's check that multimedia button out. What does it do? Oh no, that's the video camera button. Oh, so that's the photo button. That's the video camera button. So I don't think there's a way in the software to get into the camera, because I've been searching for a while and there's no way you can get into the camera from the software as far as I know. Let's see if that memory card works. I think it does. Scanning memory. Yeah, the memory card does work. It's a 200. What's the capacity of this? Oh, it's a 2 gig memory card. Okay, so the memory card does work. Everything seems to work just fine. It says it's got signal, but it does not have signal. That AT&T SIM has been dead for the last 15 years. The SIM that I put in here. It's probably just a glitch. But yeah, I guess that's the date it was manufactured, I think, the date on there. But yeah, so I'll just take it off its charger, I guess, and just throw it in its box. Just for comparison, here's a Xperia Play, a phone from 2012. They share a similar profile. As you can see, they share a very similar profile. Xperia Play there. Let's get another phone from 2010 from a different manufacturer, but running an identical platform, the Nokia N8. This is now running Bell, but initially it ran S60 as well. Slightly bigger phone, bigger display. This is 3.2 inches. This is 3.5, I think. I think this is 3.2. I forgot. Wait, what does it say on the box? Hold up. Yeah, it's 3.2. So my memory is pretty good. 3.5 inches. But yeah, I guess that's it. That's it for this video. There's nothing much else to say. I'm gonna just go throw this in its box again and never look at it again. But yeah, until the next video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.